Hello students, here is a preview of lesson 1.15.3 American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 13 through 15 from our English course American English Conversations 2. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So first, we're going to read the dialogues, the three dialogues, in English. Then, we're going to translate them and read them in your primary language. So let's read them in English. Dialogue 13. Academy Awards. Did you see the Academy Awards program last night on TV? I watched for a while, then I had to go to bed. You missed a good show. I didn't agree with the selection for Best Picture, though. I guess I missed that part. What happened? Oh, they chose some picture that was so avant-garde that no one understands it. Well, I don't go to the movies very often. You know me, I prefer more active type things. Too bad. I really wanted to discuss it with someone. Dialogue 14 at the hotel. Yes, sir. May I help you? I have a reservation for tonight. Tony Davis. Just a moment, please, while I check. That is correct. You have a reservation for a 3-room suite for tonight. I'm afraid there's been a mistake. I only asked for a single room, not a suite. I'm sorry, Mr. Davis, but we have only the suite available. Your request arrived too late to reserve a single. There's a large convention in town this week, and we're full up. Well, if that's the way it is, I'll have to take it. Just sign the register here, and I'll have your bags sent up later. It's suite 718. All right, and here's the last one, dialogue 15, after the movie. I really enjoyed that movie. I did too. At first I thought it was going to be a drag, but then it really got good. What part did you like the best? Oh, I don't know. I guess the scene that grabbed me the most was the one in which the old man was dying. I liked that one too. In fact, I cried. To tell you the truth, I had a few tears in my eyes. Now what? How about a Coke and a hamburger? Super! So this was part 1. First, we read it in English. Second, you need to translate this page into your primary language and read it in your primary language. Then we have part 2. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. So this video is for all the three dialogues above, but it reads at different speeds to help you improve your comprehension and pronunciation as well. So make sure you watch this video at least 2 or 3 times and read along with it. Okay? Thank you, students, for working so hard. Do your best with lesson 1.15.3, please. Best wishes.